kilter. Okay, for this part of my portfolio, I'm going to be taking her blood pressure as well as her respiration rate and her heart rate. So first, I'm going to be doing the blood pressure. I'm going to put the cuff on her left arm as it is available. And I'm going to tighten it just enough so I can still fit at least 2 of my fingers in there. How's that feel?
Good.
Okay. Put on my stethoscope here. And I'm first going to feel her pulse as I inflate the blood pressure cuff, and then when her heart rate goes away, that is when I know where to get my gauge for my top number when I actually do her blood pressure. So I'm going to do that now. So I feel her pulse go away around 110, 120, so that's just about how high I have to pump it up whenever I'm actually taking her pressure here. Okay, so right there I got about 112/76, which is within normal range, so we're good to go here. And I would wait another 3 to 5 minutes if I was going to take her blood pressure again, either standing or laying down. So now I'm going to be taking her pulse rate, which I'm just going to feel here on her wrist. And I'm just going to use this clock behind me, and I'm going to let it run for 15 seconds, and I'm going to count each of her pulses, and then I'm going to multiply that by 4. Okay, so she had about 15 pulses per 15 seconds, so multiply 15 times 4, you get 60. So that's her beats per minute. And then lastly, I'm just going to do her respiration rate, which I'm just going to ask her to put her hand over her chest and her shoulder blade. And then I'm just going to watch every time her hand rises and falls with each breath. And I'm going to time that for another 15 seconds and then multiply that number by 4 as well. So go ahead.
How many times?
Just keep going for 15 seconds. Very good. So she had about 4 respirations per that 15 seconds. So multiply 4 by 4, it's about 16 breaths, and that is all. Good job.